All right, so number 6 looks scary, but it's really not. It's graphing a system of inequalities. And first, I'm actually going to do a problem that's not related to the problems that are on your sheet. So I'm going to do one that's just graphing a system of 2 lines. So let's do y is less than x plus 1 and y is greater than 2x minus 3. Let's do that one. So refer back to the early problems if you're forgetting how to graph a line. But I'm going to go through this pretty quick. So this one starts at positive 1 and it grows. There's an invisible slope of 1. So it goes over 1 up 1, over 1 up 1. It's this line right. Oh, I should be dashed. Too late. It's right here, and I'm saying it should be dashed because when we look at this, it's not equal to. So we want to do a dashed line. We really do just want to do a dashed line here instead of a solid line. Kind of goes with the number lines we were doing earlier, where you shaded in the point or you left it as an open circle. Okay, so this one says y is, it's on the smaller side of this symbol, so it's less than. And less than means to shade either up or down. Less than. This symbol, it's on the smaller side. So we're looking for smaller numbers. Numbers that are down. Numbers that are less than. So we're shading in this part. Alright, the next one is y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 3. So you go down to negative 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our starting point. And our slope would be 2 over 1. So we're going over 1, we're going up 2. That's our next point. Over, up, over, up, over, up. And then right there. So it's gonna eventually not be underneath here. It's gonna go like that. And so it says it's greater than or equal to, so we are gonna shade it in. And then we're thinking greater than. So greater than is either lower or higher. Greater than, it's on the bigger side. Now, bigger would be up. So you really want to look at the area. Oops. Let's look at the area that's double shaded. This is what we're talking about when we're graphing an inequality. This is the space we're looking to find. All of these points satisfy these two equations. It's no longer just a point that satisfies the equations. It's the section that satisfies both inequalities. So on your paper, you probably have a couple of example problems that are like this. Y is less than x squared, and y is greater than, let's go with like x plus 1. Let's do that. So what does this mean? Do you know what a basic parabola is? If you don't, it's okay. You can use a table. Basic parabola is like this. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's think. When you square it, -2 times -2 would be +4. -1 times -1 would be +1. 0 times 0 is just 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm getting that from here. This is the squared function, so you're multiplying it by itself. That's what it means. So if we just want to plot those points, let's just do it. Whenever you're in doubt about what something looks like, just put some points in and try it. So -2 was 4. -1 was 1. 0, 1. 2 is 4 again, 3 is 9, somewhere up there, kind of crazy point. So this is what a parabola looks like. And it says y is less than, oh man, I really wanted to do this dashed. This is why you use pencils. This is not why you use pen. I hate pen. Actually, just kidding, I like pen. So it's a dashed line, not a full blown line, but just a dashed line. Okay, and it says y is on the smaller side of the symbol, so y is less than this. We're going to shade downward from this. Yeah, that's right, we're going to shade down. Okay? Towards the negative numbers down here. Okay, the next one is this line, y equals x plus 1. So it starts at 1. It's the same line as over there, and it grows by 1. So let's do a couple of points like this. There we go. Y is greater than. And so if we're going to do greater than, this is on the bigger side, greater than is upwards. Okay. I kind of am shading sideways so you can see. Can you see the areas that are double shaded? So this is just shaded one time because it's from under the parabola. This is only shaded once, but there are two sections that are actually shaded in twice over. It's this section. You see how this section is also shaded twice? So these are the two sections we're looking for. This little section in here isn't shaded at all. The inside section is not shaded. So this is what it means. This is what it means to graph a set of inequalities. It's a shaded area. We were working with these for a little while with basketball courts and phone apps. Okay, so we're pretty comfortable with this. I want you to try one more. Y is greater than x squared plus 1. And then y is less than x. Let's just do that. That's really simple.